This is dedication to our brother Mr. Oko, who lost a life in the Hundley field. I'm your boy, Emilio. Life was sitting, money goodbye. Life was sitting, money goodbye. Goodbye back your life. Goodbye back your life. See your brother, we miss you so much. We wish you get here with us right now. We miss your brother love. We miss everything about you. The way you talk, the way you smile, the way you laugh, the manner of approach. We miss everything you do. We miss everything you do. Oh, yeah, brother. Who will we call? Who will we call again? Nobody be like you. No one be there for you. I wish you were here with us. We miss you so much. Your loss cost us pain. Our eye full of tears. Our heart full of pain. Everyone miss you. Emmanuel miss you. See Omo miss you. See Jersey miss you. See IK miss you. See everyone miss you. Oh, I wish you just here with us. Life was a thing, money could buy. We buy back your life. If life was a thing, money could buy. We buy it all once again, just to have you back in our midst. We miss you, but God needs you most. We miss you, God needs you most. Oh, only God knows. Only God knows. Rest in peace till we meet again. Rest in peace till we meet again. Rest